Hello guys, welcome to Software Design. Today I want to teach you how to design a hiring flyer. This hiring flyer, um, the hiring flyer for your design. So for an employment. So for this kind of flyer, you can design it. Please, the link of this video, the link of all the resources here is in the description of this video. Please don't forget to, if you need anything, especially this chair we have and the background they are in, so I'll link it up. So let's go to a new folder like this. Let's assume, then I'll just from here let's create a new. So let's leave it 5, okay, let's say 5 by 7, and then we'll click on create. So from create here, the first thing we'll go and pick our chair. There's an and this background. We'll drag into Photoshop like this. We'll drop it here. Then finish and also click on this one. And then you have your. So if you want to invert this, just right click here. Then flip it horizontal. You have changed the position like this. And the chair is sitting. So now let me move away a bit. So under you can see your layers here. This is the background. Ctrl T to select it. You select it, Ctrl T, so that you analyze how it is. This is it. So now let's go to we are hiring. So you select your text here and then write we are hiring. You are hiring. You can I'll copy this out, cut, and then I'll paste it different. So I want to duplicate this so that I'll paste the hiring, so that I'll have authority. So I'll hold my alternate and hold it like that, and then paste in like this. So you Ctrl C, select this, and then you drag. Please you drag. Please stay to the end of this video so that I can show you this effect here, this particular effect that I did here that you can see. So at this joint, then you take the chair behind a bit. The reason why you are seeing this, we have not removed the white background the chair is coming with. So you select the chair, come to select subject. So wait for it a bit. You see the selection it has made, but you see that the selection is not properly made. So in your video I've made that that adjustment is just like that. So let me undo, and then I think I have the PNG file. I swear I have the PNG. I think so, if I'm not mistaken. But the link, I've linked it anyway. So from here, let's undo, or I can just use transparent this. I'll remove the background here like this. Select the chair, right click on feather from here, click on OK, and then remove here. It's not activating because of. So let's go the hard way. Let's remove the background so fast as possible. So we'll go round. We'll use our background remover tool here. Select it and then click on this chair. Then we'll click on it. To tell us to rasterize, we'll click on rasterize. Then we'll be able to remove the background. So let's increase the size of this. We'll increase it. So you see that the moment you click on that chair, anywhere you click on it, it strives to remove that white background that is covering it. So carefully, let's increase it. So the moment you touch, you see that there's always a difference. It will remove the white immediately. You can remove the white. There's clarity. You can see. As you touch, you can see that the white is gone. It will remove the background. Just like that. Then next, we'll come to our hiring here. You select, you draw a rectangle. This is a rectangle. Double click. The reason why you're not seeing that we are hiring, because it's down here. You can see from here. Take this up. Select this rectangle. Double click here and then change the color so that you can see it clearly. You click on OK. Select the area we're hiring here, and then you give it a different color. Come here from up here, click here. Let's give it white and click on OK. And then basically we'll set our ruler so that we'll make our design to align. I think definitely let's say we want to view guides or to show grid, and want to show grid in this design so that we'll know what we are following. You see, I want us to work with grid so that we'll know that from here you can press shift so that you adjust it to any aspect. You can adjust like this. So the essence of this grid is to make sure that your design is working perfectly. Then from here we can now we'll select this rectangle, we'll copy, duplicate that rectangle from there. Once you press shift, alternate, you see that it's select, then you drag it down. Sorry, it's the text that selected. So now we can press shift and hold to readjust. So here we'll be writing we are opening, or open positions. Let me say open positions. It's not necessary. You can write open. Let's readjust. Open positions. Okay. Open positions. Open positions. So right now, this is another. So you now readjust to this point. So for your open positions now, you start taking it one by one. The next thing you copy is these are the list of. So I'm copying this, but you can type it as well because I don't want to for the purpose of this class. And then paste. So these are the list of positions people are applying for the company. So under here, you readjust it like this so that it match your design. This is very simple. We are going straight to the point. Then the icon, we're using this icon. This particular icon here is a location icon. I still have it in the video. In the link of that video, you can access it as well and then follow along with me. And then, so wait, there's this effect I did on that chair that is very bright, so just give it some time. Double click and then paste this. That's the location there. You can decide to change the color of this to black. For you, it's a choice. You can decide to change it. Let's say you are working, you want everything to be minimalistic, just white. We're using we're using two colors. This is it. So under here, you can decide to readjust it here at this point, and then you can now copy your location icon anywhere you have brought it. So me, I will just copy from here. I'm just showing you a guide. You copy and then you paste it. This is what we are working with. You paste in here, you carry, you readjust. So at this juncture, our hiring flyer is becoming positive. So basically, what is remaining here is the logo we use. You can use any logo of your choice that you want. You can use any logo of your choice. There's no big deal. So right now, there's an effect I did here that is white, which you can see from here. So, and I gave the hiring an outline, so you can select the hiring like this. Come to FX here, and then you give it a stroke. We call it stroke or an outline for corridor users. There's a stroke. Then the stroke is accompanied with shadow, a drop shadow, a little bit. The shadow is very small. It's spread out a bit. Size is not that obvious. We just did something little. Select it and reduce the distance a bit. You reduce the distance and then click on OK. So since it's okay, if it's okay for you, if it's not okay, you make your readjustment as well. So, and then that lightening that was here, you come to this brush tool that is here. Select a new layer, click on it. You have a brush tool, so let's add it. So we want to use a brown like set it. So hold alternate on your keyboard. I'll select this color here, this particular color here. I'll select it and then come click. You see how it shines? It's like having that kind of. So come to your blend mode here. Under this blend, you come to color dodge, a linear dodge or color dodge. So if you say color dodge, look at how it's a linear, like that. You can say overlay in different patterns. So me, I normally use color dodge, but in this case, this lighter color is serve. But let's go with it. Control T, readjust. That's it. So this is just for the hiring flyer. So if you have any questions or you have any contributions, please, I want to receive it in your comment section. And then this is just for a beginner purpose, a beginner base. Please take note of your alignment, which are very important in your design. Even though your design is somehow, but if your alignment is okay, is giving a message, you are good to go.